Hi, my name is Jamie, and I have been a customer of SolUp since 2011, I believe. And we researched getting solar put on our home and interviewed several companies. And Frank was the one from SolUp who came out and talked to us. He was very thorough, explained the process, explained the benefits of their company and their solar panels, and the return on investment. And the process was actually quite wonderful. They came out, they measured everything and installed the system. We have paid the system off. We have definitely gotten our return on investment. Our average electric bill currently is between $15 and $20 a month. And of that, $12.50 is the monthly hookup fee that the energy company automatically charges us. So we are very happy. In fact, I was just looking at our electric bill for last month, and it was $14.02. So we are very, very happy and have had nothing but good things to say about the company.